I think before I say something, we have to all thank our Honorable Prime Minister. We know we are very fortunate to have a very, very visionary leader like Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, who has been at the helm of affairs for last over 6 years now, who has been leading us on every front, from the front, with his highly personalized involvement, vision, and not only his vision, but his vision converted into ideas and ideas converted into programs and programs converted into implementation procedures, and then all that also being monitored by not only the respective ministries but the Prime Minister himself very, very meticulously. And I think we always lack in words to describe his commitment and his ability, the way he has brought laurels to India's glory, not only amongst our countrymen but all across the world. India is now recognized as one of the most potential future powers, and we can foresee that in not very too distant future we can see our own country as a Vishwa Guru, and that is his desire, and that is what he has been asking us also to dream right from 2017, when he conceptualized before us to dream about a new India by 2022, when we complete 75 years of independence. I am sure that in the coming years or in the coming decade, we shall all be able to see the Vishwa Guru Bharat also in front of our own eyes. So this is a great moment. This particular event today symbolizes many things. It symbolizes the involvement of hundreds and thousands and millions of students and scientists and researchers from all fields, whether it is engineering, whether it is software, whether it is basic sciences, whether it is pharmacy, whether it is research, chemistry, computer sciences, pharmaceutical sciences, biotechnology, all of them are going to work together. We have noticed that in the last 5 years itself, the Prime Minister was the first one to conceptualize the Make in India. He was the one who started the Startup India and the Stand Up India, and thousands of young brains, young students, our great demographic dividend of India, they could actually be assured that if they have a bright idea, then if they want to convert that idea into a research program and then through that become an entrepreneur, then the whole government of Prime Minister Narendra Modi stands rock solid behind them to support their idea, not only technically but also financially. I am sure that today's meeting, with all the big shots involved and with the blessings of my dear colleague Dr. Nishank ji and Sanjay Dhotre ji, and of course our ever available guidance and blessings of our dear Prime Minister, I think this particular day today, I wish and pray it should prove to be a historic day for us. It should go down in history as something which gave us rich dividends for the future. I know that a lot of important issues like intellectual property and open innovation model for drug discovery. All these means the nitty-gritty of the whole competition of this whole hackathon have also been planned for the future. And from how from stage 1 we go to stage 2, and how from stage 2 we go to stage 3, and ultimately we choose the best people in the country. This is going to give us a very healthy competition and a great amount of enthusiasm and the ability of the young talented students and scientists in the country. I think they will all receive our blessings today. We will pray for their success. I am sure the department has planned a lot of sophisticated training programs for them, so that those who don't have the idea but they have a scientific background, they have a mind, they have a desire to do something, they can also take training and then apply their acumen to help in this cause. We know coronavirus is a new virus which has arrived on the scene only 6 months back, and a lot of learning about it is happening all over the world, including in India. Our scientists are also collaborating with everything that is happening all across the world. We are participant in all the WHO solidarity trials also for drugs or for vaccines or for any other related issues. We are happy to inform you that the World Health Organization has lauded the efforts of India in no uncertain terms many times in the last 3-4 months, and I am sure this hackathon with blessings from everybody is going to add to the success story in a big way.